Hello everyone, guys. It's currently 7:30 in the morning. We're heading out, picking up the workers. Here's our red tank, and we're off to work. That's it. We'll film and show you. I forgot to tell you what's on the plan today. On the plan today, we have 3 sites, 3 orders. The total mileage for the round trip will be around 250 kilometers. So, 2 birches, a pear tree, and some other portion. Trees of medium size. We'll be cutting them down. Some we'll saw into logs, some we won't cut. By the way, in the comments, let me know what you think of the mustache and beard. That's it. Let's start. We're leaving, picking up Alexei, and heading to work. Subtitles created by Dima Torzak. Okay, careful now. Subtitles by Dima Torzak. Subtitles by Dima Torzak. Subtitles by Dima Torzak. Engine sound. To be continued. Pull. To be continued. To be continued. Ease up, ease up, ease up. Okay, hold it, I'm cutting. To be continued. It's going or not going. Music. So guys, we've arrived at the second job. I think we have this birch tree here. The spot allows us to fell it onto the garden, the owner says. So we don't mess around, don't climb around, just fell it onto the garden. It's leaning a bit this way, towards us, towards the wire here. There's 1 wire, then a service line to the house. So the plan is this. We'll shoot a line there with the big shot. We'll tie a pull line, tension it, and lay it down there and saw it into logs. That's it, for now we'll get ready, we won't film. There's not much to film in this preparation. We'll tie up and then show you how we fell it. Okay, loaded, aiming at the micro ridge. There it is. Let's see how it goes with the front cut. Anya, look, here's the weight. Grab it. Come here, we're tying loops here. Of course, you all remember the more loops, the better, tied. And we start the transfer in the hall. On this, tie any knot you like. A real arborist always has a carabiner hanging here. Making a trolley around the tree. Now we'll tension the rope in that direction. We'll set up a pulley system near that apple tree. We'll tension it with the pulley, or maybe just pull it by hand. We'll see. You have the most important job. Okay, I'll go get the saw and it'll be with me. Yeah, and film it. Watch how it falls, right? Yes, and film me as I cut. Well, I think it's filmed. Keep filming, keep filming. Oh, still filming, but it turned off. Didn't make it home. No, it just turned off. No, the screen just went blank. Okay, thanks. There we go, filmed. Yes, laid it down. It's all lying there. We take out the rope, saw it all into logs, and we move on, so we're done. The birch is all sawn up, everything intact. Wire 1, wire 2. Angela, what do you say about the work done? Are you filming everything? Of course. This is a vlog. On the clock it's 11:45. Let's go. We're heading to the third job. There we have a pear tree and another tree. We'll arrive and show you everything. Stay with us. Don't switch off. So, guys, we've arrived at the third job. Here we have a pear tree to dismantle. Working near the comrade's house. There are some very valuable bushes. They asked us not to break them. So here's another one, thin and tall. We'll climb now. But this one will lay down hole over here. The spot allows it. They gave the go-ahead. And that one will dismantle in parts, and saw it all into logs, so let's start. You can pull it. I've made the cut. Pull properly. Come on. Okay, unhook the rope, let me climb. I'll dismantle this one, and you saw that one into logs. To be continued. Okay, reach the top. Now, probably to avoid breaking all the bushes, I'll cut the top, drop it onto this branch so it hangs. Or even if it falls, it will cushion the impact. There, whoa, it's all clear. To be continued. Calm music. Oh. To be continued. So we're done. Here's the first tree. Here's the second. Cut down, sawn up. The apple tree is in place. The outhouse is in place. The neighbor's building is in place, so that's about it. Our workday is over for today. We completed 3 jobs. The time is 1:19 p.m., so we're heading to get serviced and rest. So see you all next time.